Welcome to my general knowledge quiz. Which is the largest island in the world? Answer: Greenland. Which is the longest river in the world? Answer: Nile. Which is the largest island country in the world? Answer: Indonesia. Which is the deepest river in the world? Answer: the Congo River. Which is the largest continent in the world? Answer: Asia. Which is the largest city in the world? Answer: Tokyo. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer: Pacific Ocean. Which is the longest non-stop flight in the world? Answer: Singapore Airlines. Which is the longest bridge in the world? Answer: Danyang Kanchan Grand Bridge. Which is the longest mountain range in the world? Answer: the Andes. Thank you for watching and please like, share and subscribe.